Is your Samsung device battery draining fast, and you want to check its status whether it's good or not? Like in the iPhone, now you can check the battery health on Samsung device. So, let's get started. First, open Settings. Scroll down, and click Battery and Device Care. Scroll down again, and click Diagnostics. In Diagnostics, you will see three options. For checking the battery status, click Phone Diagnostics. From here, you can test your entire phone. But we just want to check the battery, so for that scroll down and click Battery Status. Here, it will test the battery and tell you if its life is good or not. For me it is good. And that's how you can check the battery health on Samsung device. Thank you for watching.